In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Uber Driver app on your Android phone. Whether you're just starting out as a driver or simply need to reinstall the app, this guide will help you through the process. Let's make sure everything is set up correctly so you can be up and driving in no time. First things first, let's head over to the Google Play Store, which is the hub for all Android apps. You can locate it on your phone's home screen. It usually appears as a colorful triangle icon that says Play Store underneath. If you can't find it right away, try swiping through your apps or use the search function at the top of your phone's interface. Once you've found and opened the Play Store, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're in the Play Store, focus on the search box at the top. This is really the heart of the Play Store where you can start your search for any app you need. Let's type in Uber Driver app in the search bar. As you type, you'll notice a list of suggestions and similar apps appearing. Don't rush through it, make sure you select the correct app. It should be the one specifically labeled as the Uber Driver. This app is distinct from the regular Uber Rider app, which is used for hailing rides rather than driving. Once you've selected the Uber Driver app from the search results, you'll be directed to a new screen dedicated to the app. On this page, you can see reviews, ratings, and screenshots of the app interface, providing a preview of what the app looks like and how it functions. If everything looks good and you're sure this is the right app, you're just one step away from installing it. On this final screen, you'll find a green install button. When you click on install, the app will begin downloading to your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network if you want the download to proceed smoothly and avoid using up your mobile data, especially if you have a limited data plan. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to open and you're ready to dive into the app. With the Uber Driver app successfully installed, you can now go ahead and open it. From here, you'll be able to sign in with your driver credentials or set up an account if you haven't yet. Congratulations! You can now start accepting rides and navigating your new work as an Uber driver. Thanks for following along and happy driving.